This is my pipeline. This is where I hope to achieve. The green line is where I hope to achieve, which is okay because my pipeline is a lot. I still have room. Of course, unless that pipeline is a lousy pipeline. Yeah? But if it is, I'm still good. Here, remember that when I say this, every account or every sales rep has many things to do. You know, customer demand this, customer demand that, order to change, your boss want this, your boss want that. A lot of things to do. Over here, it helps you to remind you what are the accounts that you did not follow up for the last 30 days or any task that is not there. Okay? So it helps you to remind you what to focus upon. Okay? And if you look at this account insight, when you visit a customer, say for example, they suddenly buy another company, they have some acquisition, you want to know here. Okay? So accounts insight will give you information like the industry you're working on, plus the accounts that you're working on. Okay, they'll give you some related news, right? As salesperson, usually you will do research, right? Like let's just say, oh, how the manufacturing is doing, how the education industry is doing. You will do research, right? So that when you speak to the customer, you sound as if like, oh, I'm smart, huh? I know everything. But all this researching takes time. Okay? So what here is that it want to quickly help you guide your salesperson how quick to get to news. Okay?
Tadi saat dia post di mobile-nya dengan mudah, tim-timnya bisa mendapatkan informasi dan bisa cek dengan solusi yang ada. Jadi ini adalah secara dari sisi heavy equipment yang kita lakukan. Mungkin ada pertanyaan, Bapak Ibu? Nextnya adalah saya satu untuk di manufacture, jadi ini lebih ke arah FMCG. Jadi customer kita salah satunya adalah menyediakan produknya di bidang susu. Jadi mungkin Bapak Ibu kalau misalnya suka ke supermarket segala macam belanja susu, jadi salah satu customer kita menggunakan Salesforce sudah cukup lama. Jadi mereka untuk membantu di bagian customer service-nya. Kita tahu bisnis FMCG sini adalah retail, customer-nya banyak. Tapi bagaimana mereka bisa mengidentify customer mana yang mereka ada. Jadi saat mereka punya, Bapak Ibu kalau mungkin datang ke supermarket ada lihat SPG, nanya-nanya mungkin banyak kan ke ibu-ibu ya, ke bapak-bapak. Nah, data-data tersebut itu yang mereka grab. Data-data yang ada tersebut itu dimasukkan ke sistem, di mana nanti memperbantu tim mereka, agent mereka untuk melakukan survei. Survei kepada kepada ibu-ibu terutama terhadap tentang perkembangan gizi ataupun dari kesehatan anaknya. Dengan situ dan kita dengan adanya sistem itu kita jadi lebih dekat ya dengan customer ya. Nah, di sini juga kita melakukan handling komplain. Kita tahu komplain ini sekarang datangnya banyak. Tidak seperti zaman dulu orang komplain cuma datang ke tempat atau kantor. Tapi dengan berlarinya zaman, komplain itu banyak sekali. Sosial media sekarang memegang penting utama ya. Kadang kita nggak senang, kita update di pet atau mungkin kita langsung ke Facebook. Nah, hal tersebut dengan adanya sistem itu kita bisa memprovide datanya tanpa membuat mereka harus buka di sosial media terpisah. Dan semua satu single data customer itu bisa kita tahu dari mana customer ini komplain, apakah dari telepon ataupun dari sosial media.
Saya yang 100% itu dengan mudahnya bisa mengakses informasi ini dengan membuka attachment itu through Salesforce Terror. Ya, jadi saya nggak perlu capek-capek lagi bagaimana mereka. Terus yang terakhir tentunya mereka sebagai perceived as a forward-looking organization. Mereka juga butuh istilah sebagai company yang well known. Mereka butuh leverage solusi yang sudah proven di market, which is Salesforce. That's why my last keyword adalah seringkali Pak in terms of the competition ya namanya kita apa istilahnya compete masih ada aja lah in terms of the competition dan siapa. Kami sering stay ahead among the competition. Why? Because we offer a business value and the customer see the business value of our solution. Jadi we are not just talking about feature and function. Feature and function mungkin plus minus masing-masing produk bisa. Oh dia bisa, dia enggak. Salesforce bisa, ada Salesforce juga yang bisa. Tetapi Yang lebih penting di sini adalah seringkali customer kami itu melihat adalah ada something value yang mereka lihat through our solution. Itulah sebabnya kenapa customer retention kami itu sangat-sangat tinggi, more than 70%. Ya, saya tidak bilang 100%, tapi cukup tinggi, more than 70% above. Nah, jadi mereka itu cukup happy dengan kami. Oke, sekian sharing customer story. Mungkin saya akan berikan kesempatan for Gabriel to continue to share about our regional customer story in Singapore.
But after you go through immigration, you should have a nice experience in Changi Airport. Okay, so that's what they're doing. But think about this. It's nothing from what I did just now. It's not anything that is. It's not anything about sales, you know. But it is about giving that experience, you know, to make sure that people come to Changi Airport feel good. People come to Changi Airport as that special feeling, right? So if you think about it, the use case is very different, right? It's very, very different. But yet, Salesforce can actually provide that kind of solution. Okay, so what they do is that they wanted to integrate, all right, just to consolidate all the platforms so that they can know of all these 200 retailer is connected in a way, right? So next time, if you're at Changi Airport, don't test the system, just give your true opinion. When you go to the washroom, you come out, just press light. Or if you want to test the system, you say unhappy, then you see what happened. Yeah. So I never touched a panel before I joined Salesforce. I was just okay, then I just go. But now when I join Salesforce, every time I'm going to touch it. Okay. So this is the experience I want to share. Before I hand it to Wigip, I just want to touch on one point. The key point here is this: Salesforce is used in many industries, many different kinds of environment. Okay. The thing to take note of this is this. Which usually when we meet customers, we want to say this: dare to dream, dare to innovate. All right, that's what we want to do. I've seen Salesforce done things that I don't even believe it. Okay, and it actually happens. Okay, so that's a takeaway point that I want to give you guys to think about it. So if you go back, think about certain project that are running, and you feel that maybe Salesforce can come in and help. Yeah, just reach out to any one of us, or reach out to the partners. We can definitely find out something, and you will be amazed that most of the time we can actually do it.